Okay, crazy one, but here we are, world traveling photographers, and we still use a selfie stick from time to time. Nikki's going on a solo trip with our daughter, and she wanted a new selfie stick just because it's easier in a lot of ways than carrying all of our heavy camera gear. So we were like looking for one, and we saw this one. It seemed to have all the functionality that we wanted, and so we got it, and I'm here to tell you about it. This is the first time I'm unboxing it, and it just attacked me with a coin, which is interesting. Okay, a couple things that I wanted to tell you about it that were attractive to us that made us want to get it. Number one, it works with larger phones like our Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultras, and then it has a very long reach. Look at that. That is nice and long. If you're doing a selfie, that is cool. It is Bluetooth, obviously, and so it works with both iPhones as well as Android. Another feature that was important to us, just because a lot of times we do a lot of solo stuff like Nikki's doing, is this. Look, it has a built-in tripod. So you go like that, set it up, you're good. Hey, how's it going? And then additionally, I wanted to show you this. Look. It's got a remote, so if you want to do, like, let's say you wanted to do a little bit more standoff, you put this here, go stand near something, you hit the button here, and it works via Bluetooth. The rest of the time, it slides right here into this holder here, slides right into this holder here, and now it works like a handheld selfie stick. Overall, this really did all the things that we wanted it to do. It seemed like a well thought out selfie stick as selfie sticks go. And again, as we discussed functionality wise, the large cell phone, again, really important to us. You could do vertical, you could do landscape or vertical, whatever you want. Anyway, this really does everything somebody should want out of a selfie stick. I will tell you, I've been playing with it for a little while, and the quality of it is, it's appropriate for the price, right? It's a selfie stick. This is not a big piece of technology here. It's very plasticky, but everything seems to fit together nice and work well, so I'm not gonna knock it for being plasticky. It's a selfie stick. It's supposed to be, but it's definitely a lightweight piece of equipment. I'm not sure how many trips this would survive for, but for 1 or 2, it's perfect for that. In any case, I'm really thrilled with it. Haven't tested it out, so I'm not gonna give it a personal rating, but I can't imagine that it doesn't work well given what I'm looking at and the quality, and there really isn't a whole lot of functionality other than what I just did. So I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.